Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome to my channel, Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today I will enter more in detail about predicate functional interface. I will use a new concept that is called joining for predicate. Yes, we can join multiple predicate between them to create a complex predicate. No problem, the number that you want. For example, I will give you an example. I have the first predicate, P1. This predicate will check if the age is greater than 25. I have the second predicate, P2. This predicate will check if the age is even number or no. For example, what I want to check if the age is less or equal 25. It means I want to leave the negation of the first predicate. Okay, the P1. Can I do this directly or without writing a new predicate? Yes. How to do this? I just call P1.negate method. So simple like this. Okay? What can I do also? I want to check if the number or if the age is greater than 25 and also if it is even number. Okay? How to achieve this? Without writing a new predicate, of course. Without writing a new predicate P3 or anything. To achieve this, I will use these two predicate, P1, P2. How? Just like this. P1 dot end method. In parentheses, P2. So simple like this. What we have also, I want to check also if P1 is greater than 25 or it is even number. Okay? To do this, I think you know what I will use. P1 dot or method. In parentheses, P2. So here we have three new methods. I have negate, and also or. Okay? These three methods are default methods in predicate interface. Okay? So predicate interface has only one abstract method. It is test, and also have another default method, for example, negate and or. So simple. So I will make simple example in computer to see how to use them to make practice all this three method. And I think I will make another example, more example about predicate before to start new predefined functional interface. So let's go to check this. So here is an example how to check all the three default methods. So I have created an array age with numbers, and the first predicate is to check if the age is greater than 13, and the second predicate is to check if the age is even numbers or no. So the first predicate, I have created also a method that check all the array. I'll give him the predicate as argument, an array, and it gives me all the numbers that respect this predicate. So the first check what I want is to get the numbers that are not greater than 13. Okay, so I will use negate with first predicate. Here what I get. So let's see. Normally, before to execute the program, I get negation of this, so I got only this value, the value. Okay, let's see this. When, as you can see, number not greater than 13 are 0, 3, 6, 9, and 12. Good. Now let's check the second default method, the predicate, that is AND. So for this, what I will do, I just click on this one. I want to check if the numbers are greater than 13 and also it is even numbers. So to do this, I will put p1 dot and p2. Okay, let's see the result. Check. So what is this case? It is 18. Why? What is number that is greater than 13? Is only 15 and 18. Yes, 18. And also, from these numbers, what is numbers that are even numbers? I have only 18. Okay, so here is the result. Good. So now I want to check this predicate. Okay, so let's do this. I want to check this one. I mean, if the numbers is greater than 13 or it is even numbers. Okay, so to do this, I will call the method, default method OR. Let's see before to execute this one. What is numbers that are greater than 13? In this array, we have 15 and 18, 2. So I will also check what is numbers that are even numbers. It is OR here. Okay, it is OR. So the even numbers is I have 0, 6, 12, and 18. So I have 18 before, so I will add 0, 6, and 12. Let's see this. Do you see? 0, 6, 12, 15, and 18. It's an addition. Now let's make another complicated predicate. Not complicated, but let's make another one. So what I want here, I want this one. I want to check if the numbers are greater than 13 or not even numbers. Okay, so to do this, I will put p1 or p2 dot negate. Okay, do you see? I can add what I want as for joining predicate between them. Okay, so here, let's see before to check the result what we have. Let's put here to make some example, very useful. So for to execute, numbers that are greater than 13, we have 15 and 18. Okay, let's see the second. What is p2 dot negate here? So what are not even numbers? What we have here? We have 3, 9, and 15. Okay, so we have 15, so the result will be like this: 3, 9 by order, 15 and 18. So let's see the result. Check. Do you see? 3, 9, 15 and 18. So I hope that you have understand how to use the 3 default method. I will continue to make an example to understand very well, inshallah, predicate. See you in next video, inshallah. Subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your friends. I say goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.